Hey folks, this is JagiChan, the brand new episode after a long time. So I haven't been doing many videos, but today I have a brand new product, and it's the LED headlamps from the house of Nippon, and let's unbox it. Okay, so this is how, this is the packing in which it comes. So it's a nice sleek package. And here you see it's from the house of Nippon. It says 120 watts of power is what it's going to consume, going to give 6000 Kelvin. So daylight is 5600, but this gives 6000. So maybe it's on the a little bluish tinge, but I have to try it, and then only I can say if it is on the bluish tinge side or is it bright white. So just remember, this is 6000 Kelvin, but daylight is at 5600 Kelvin. Okay, and on the side of this again it says here, experience the ultimate brightness, and it says 6000 built-in fan cooling, lifespan of 30,000 hours. That's very decent, very nice. It has an efficiency of 87%. Of course, the remaining 13% is all heat. Okay, and then they have the various models for your cars. So in my case, it's an old Hyundai Accent, so it has the H4 plug and adapter. So we took the H4, but you can get the other versions. And this side and this side, what does it say? It says here instant on, plug and play. Oh, by the way, HID lamps take a while to turn on, like a few seconds, and LEDs turn on instantaneously. So that's why it says instant on. And here are a ton of advantages about this. It's all written about this. So 30K, instant glow, consistent lighting, white light, 6000K. Okay, so let's unbox it then. So, okay, nice. It has some magnets here to hold the box, so you can see it clicking. Click, and then it works. Okay, so we open the box. Top is the foam, protective foam. And what is in this? What is in this here? Let me just see. What is this? Oh, the installation procedures. Okay, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. There you have their website, and you can go to their website and learn more about this product. What is the next one? Okay, this may be the warranty card, which I guess is the warranty card. Yes, and ta-da! Here is the real meat. So I just turn on the flashlight for you guys to see, and let's plug out one guy from here and check it out. I have a camera in one hand, so it's not very convenient, but I guess that's it. Okay, so there are, okay, so on either side we have LEDs. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so this setup will fit into the regular bulb slot in the car. And what is this? This is made of aluminum, solid aluminum. Wow, yeah, solid aluminum. And what is this in here? And there is the PCB that holds these bulbs together. Okay, and there you can see, okay, maybe I need to turn off the flash. Hang on. We turn off the flash. So there you see the two LEDs neatly placed, one beside the other, and I guess if I'm not mistaken, one of them is slightly offset. Okay, maybe for the high and low beam. And then here is again a set of two LEDs here. So maybe my guess would be, if it is like this, one of the light goes downwards, and then that's your low beam, and when it comes up, then this is going to be the high beam. And let's see what's there in here. Okay, it's all encapsulated well. Okay, and what is this? Oh, here is the cooling fan. Ta-da! So here is the cooling fan. So this is the fan that is built into this little one here. Okay, so I hope you can't get your fingers on this. No, you can't get your fingers in that. And seems to be like a brushless DC fan. Okay, yeah, so it should last a very long time. Okay, and then with this here is the control unit for the LED lights here. This is the control unit for the LED lights. Okay, must be a constant current regulator, something like that. It must be one of those constant current regulators here. And then here is this plug for the H4. So you just replace your bulb, the traditional bulb, with this guy, and plug this into the socket, into the original socket, and then it should be all good. So that's it, I guess. That's what is there in this box. So okay, so I did stow it away again. So I will be installing it in the next day or two, and then I will show you a video about how this is working. So let me put this back. So that's it, folks. That's the unboxing video for the Nippon LED headlights. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share and subscribe.